Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Now the next question is a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Now use pi equals to 3.14 and root 3 equals to 1.73. This has been given in the question. Now the figure will be like this. That means an angle made at the center is 60 degree. So जो सेंटर में एंगल बना है वो 60 डिग्री का है. रेडियस ऑफ दिस इज r इक्वल्स टू 15 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें दो सेगमेंट हो गए, एक माइनर सेगमेंट, दूसरा है मेजर segment. So we have to find out the both minor and major segments. So we will proceed like this. इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका होगा, फर्स्ट we will write the given values. In this question, radius r equals to 15 centimeter. Angle theta that is made at the center is 60 degree. Now we have to calculate the area of first minor segment. So I will write area of minor segment. Area of minor segment, that is the formula we have to use, that is r square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2. So this will be the formula to calculate the value of minor segment. So अब इसकी जो वैल्यूज है वो मैं लिखता हूँ. r स्क्वायर मीन्स 15 into 15 रेडियस स्क्वायर, then pi means we have been given 3.14 into 60 upon 360 minus sin theta means sin 60 divided by 2 means sin 30 into cos 30. So 15 means 225. Square of 15 is 225. Now here I will cut it 0 0, then I will get 6 1 is 6 6 6 is 36, means I am getting 3.14 upon 6 minus sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. So here this will become 225 3.14 upon 6 minus root 3 means we have been given 1.73. So it will be 1.73 upon 4. Now 225. Now if I cut with the 6, then 6 5 ja 30 means 0.5 30 31. So this 14 means 6 2 ja 12 3.14 divided by 6. 3.14 we have to divide by 6 means 0.5, that we will get 30, then we will get 14, 6 to 12, 2, 0, 6 3 ja 18, 2, 6 3 ja 18 means 0.5233. So here I will write 0.5233 minus, now again I have to divide 1.73 by 4. 1.73 by 4 point, so 4 4 ja 16, 117, 13, 16, 117, 13, 4 3 ja 12, 1 10, 4 2 ja 8, 2 4 5 ja 20. So this comes out to be 0.4325. This is 0.4325. Now I will subtract 0.5233 minus 0.4325. So here it comes out to be 3 means 13, 8, this is 2, 0, then 0.5 means 12, this is 9. We are getting 0.0908. Here it becomes 0. So this is 0.0908. So 225 equals to 225 0.0908. It has to be multiplied. That means 225 into 0.0908 will be equals to 225 225 multiplied by 0.0908. 8 5 ja 40, 8 2 ja 16 plus 4 20, 8 2 ja 16 plus 2 18, then 0 0 0. Now 9 5 ja 45, 5 9 ja 45, 9 2 ja 18 plus 4 22, 9 2 ja 18 plus 2 20. Then so I will get 0 0 8 plus 5 13, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, so 20.431234. So I am getting 20.4300. After multiplication, it comes out to be 20.4300. So this is the area of the minor segment. Now to calculate the area of the major segment, I will write here area of major segment equals to area of circle, whole circle, area of circle minus area of minor segment, area of minor segment. So I will get area of whole circle means pi r square is the formula of the circle, and area of minor segment is 20.4300. So pi is 3.14 into r square means 15 into 15 minus 20.4300. So this will become 3.14 into 225 minus 20.4300. Now I will calculate this, that is 3.14 means 225 into 3.14. 4 5 is 20, 4 5 is 20, 4 2 is 8 plus 2 0, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. 1 1 multiplied with 1 means 5, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 3 2 is 6. So 0, 5, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, that is 0. This is 1 706.50. So this comes out to be 706.50 minus 20.4300. So I will write here minus 20.4300. So 0 0 10 3 means 7. Here it becomes 0 point, this is 6, and 10 minus 2 is 8. Here it is 6, 686.70. So we have got the value of 686.0700. This is the area of the major segments. So answer is 686.0700 centimeter square, and this answer is minor segment equals to 20.4300 centimeter square. So this way this question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.